Hi, it's Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. In this video, I want to show you a lot of different volatility compression squeeze setups that are occurring, and and they're going to break out up or down with some very explosive moves. So, a volatility compression breakout is basically when price consolidates, starts squeezing in, volatility comes off, and then eventually the market has to break up or down. So we've got a what we call a power cycle scanner, and it has the matrix which you see right here, and you'll notice all the green in here. We have it color coded, so when you see green, that means that whatever symbol or index or stock, futures, forex, whatever you're looking at is in what we call a volatility compression squeeze. So what basically happens, you're going to see here, I'm going to show you several different examples of things currently happening today. First, this is the NASDAQ 100 futures. You can see over here, here's NQ. So you can see the price 31.29. If you look first here, you'll see the 5-minute time frame is green. Now this indicates that it's currently in a compression squeeze. Then you look at the 15 minutes, also green, and it's a negative, which means that the probability is for it to break to the downside on the 15 minute. The 30 minutes a -4 and it's green, so there's a compression squeeze there. The 60 minutes of compression squeeze is green, and the daily is green. So let's go through this and I'll show you what it looks like when we link our charts to it. So here's the model. So here's our upper part of our model, and you can see here that these dots indicate when the compression squeeze started. So this is a 5-minute time frame, and you can see how price is really moving sideways. So it's been in a squeeze, and what's going to happen, it's going to either break up or it's going to break down. So with our lower studies, which you can't see, it'll give the indication as to the direction, if it's up or down. Right now also we have the indicators color coded, so when you see a yellow dot, that indicates that the probability is for this to trigger or break to the downside. But this can change. You can see prices starting is just very, very low right now, but going sideways. So that's the 5-minute. Now if we switch over to the 15-minute, you can see we're also in a compression squeeze. It's been in there pretty much all day. And this is again on the NASDAQ 100. So if you look at the 30-minute, it's also in a squeeze. This indicates when the squeeze started, and it's still in the squeeze. Here's a 1-hour time frame. So you can see this even better. It's even clearer. You can see the big, huge breakout from this compression squeeze, which happened at about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock right here, triggered on yesterday. So yesterday we had a trigger to the upside from this breakout, and today we've been in pretty much a compression squeeze all day, looking for a break. Right now the indication is potentially lower, but we're still in the squeeze, so it really could go up or down. So that's on the 1 hour, and then we go to the daily, and we're in a squeeze on the daily as well. You can see it started on the 30th of August, and we've been in a squeeze since then, still in this compression squeeze. Even though the market's moved up a little bit, we're still in a sideways pattern, and that's identified by our trading model and our scanner. So that's the NASDAQ. I'll show you a couple others here. Also, if you're not trading, if you're not a futures trader, you can just put in QQQ right here, and you can see a squeeze. It's also in a squeeze on the 5, the 30-minute, the 60-minute, and so forth. So we can put up the QQQ, link to that, and you can see here the daily is in a squeeze. Now I can go down to the 5-minute, and you can see it's also in a compression squeeze on the 5-minute. The 15-minute, the 30-minute, the 1 hour, and then we saw the daily earlier. So that's a couple. That's the NASDAQ 100 and the QQQ. Then also we can look at ES real quick. I'll show you that. This is the S&P futures. You can see a squeeze on the hour time frame here. You're also in a squeeze if you look over at our matrix. It's also in a squeeze on the 5-minute and the 30-minute, the 60-minute. So it's going to break either up or down. So these usually are very explosive moves, and they will last for anywhere from 3 to 5 bars, sometimes longer. So these are the ones that you want to capture for a big either intraday day trade or a swing trade. So we use them both ways, and that's a look at the ES. And on a daily, it's also it's not in a squeeze on the daily. A couple others, crude oil, I'll show you that real quick. So if you look down here, crude oil to the left, you'll see CL right here, and currently it's in a squeeze on the daily, but earlier it was in a squeeze on the 5-minute, 15 and 30 and triggered. So I'll show you that just to see how it works. So here's the 5-minute. So you can see earlier today it triggered to the upside. See the squeeze broke. The purple indicates up, and it did trigger up, and look at the move to the upside. So I'm going to have a swing trading course in a week from this coming Saturday, September 14th, and part of the course will be you'll get the scanner, this matrix, to teach you the scanner, and then in the boot camp I'll be teaching you how to use the scanner, how to use it for the trade setups for the breakouts, and a whole lot more. But it's a fantastic trading tool, which if you want to make some serious money, this is a tool that will really get you to that next level, because it just gets you a heads up on what's going to break. So here's another indication. Here's 1 hour time frame. You can see where it started the squeeze here, triggered right today at 11 o'clock Central, and you had a break to the upside from 108.20 to a high of 108.68. That's that's about a $500 trade right there per contract. So that's just a sampling of our scanner. This is called the Power Cycle, our Power Breakout Scanner, and it's a matrix, and then you can link this to your chart. This is with our trading model, which also identifies the squeeze and when it's going to trigger. Now this is a separate application, but you can link whatever chart with the scanner, and it'll show you the direction, having linked the chart. So let me show you a few more goodies as far as that boot camp coming up. Now in this email you'll see a link that you can click on, and it's going to take you right here. You're going to go to this is my site, Power Cycle Trading, and you go to boot camp, boot camps and coaching. Click on that, and then you'll see the Power Cycle boot camp for swing trading. You just scroll down there to the buy, click on that, takes you to the course, boot camp for swing trading. Click on that, it'll tell you everything you're going to get, and then when you go in to buy it, you get a choice of whatever course you want. Now the swing trading boot camp, which is on the 14th, I'll be sending out information on that tomorrow, but if you can have your choice of any of these courses, I would recommend getting the swing trade course. So all you do is click there, buy, then you put in this promotional code. If you want a discount, you put in the promotion code. It's on this email, and it's PCT29. Put that in, hit apply, and you're going to get all this course package at 20% off for $717. The cool thing about this, though, what I'm doing is you're going to get everything in this course currently on the website, which comes with, you'll get the scanner, you're going to get the boot camp, the swing trading course, daily aftermarket outlook, you're going to get the virtual trading room, access to our trading room, option trading made simple, and the Power Breakout Scanner. This is $400 if you just buy it on our site. So you're going to get all this for just $717, plus you're going to get free access to the virtual live boot camp we're having on the 14th of September and the 21st. So you get all this ahead of time so you can study up and learn what you're doing, and then you're going to join us for the free boot camp, which comes with this package. So take advantage of it. I'm not going to leave it out here very long, but it's a great deal. Good luck trading tomorrow, and talk to you on the next video.